who are your competitors? When you think about what they look like and how do they go to market, who do you see in your mind? And I'll show you who I see. And couple of these may have come up in your mind because they may be competing with you locally, but I'm not talking about from just an automotive standpoint. We got Shop Now, we got Shop. These are two of the biggest retailers on the globe. And for years, well before the pandemic, they were investing in this phygital approach. They knew they were missing out on the digital customer base, so they dumped hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars to strengthen that, because it's not just about having a strong physical presence now. You need a phygital, you need physical and digital. And they did this, and we can't say they're wrong for doing it, understanding that consumers want to shop and price at convenience of off hours or during home or work or whatever that may be. I'm sure Starbucks didn't come up in your mind, but I think of them as a competitor because they're getting very intentional about personalizing and customizing the consumer experience. And we need to be thinking about that too, because these customers come into our base, or we want them to. And we all know what Amazon's done and Netflix has done, but now it's intuitive to personalize and customize with you might also like, or top picks from, right? Look at what Wayfair is doing to use augmented reality to place their products in your living room before you buy, because they know consumers buy with their eyes. This is the bar that's being set for consumers outside that these consumers are coming to your bay, or again, you want them to. So we need to be thinking about that. Let's look at what happens in the aftermarket when somebody comes shopping or engages us digitally.